Hello everybody, it's the South African farmer. We're back at harvesting. We switched over to sunflower and there's a big combine on the farm. Alright ladies and gentlemen, so it's not our combine. We're just hiring it for the sunflower just to use it. Then we'll be going back to the original owner. But I will be spending as much time as possible with this combine to get video of it, to show you guys how it works and how it takes down the sunflower. Alright guys, so we stopped the combine just to test the moisture. So I'm sitting in the Claas Mega 204. I'm going to show you the interior of the cab while we wait for the moisture percentage. So we're waiting to harvest, so I'm just going to show you the inside of the cab. Alright guys, so we got back the moisture of the sunflower. We're ready to harvest. I'm back in the combine harvesting. So let's get some video of it. Doing some end rows here. our combine. I'm just taking it to the shed just for some cleaning, and then I'm going to head back to the big Claas 204 Mega just to drive that combine a little bit, and then I'm going to head home. So if you enjoy the video, just give it a thumbs up, and let's keep moving. Alright guys, so the field's almost done with the sunflower. That means the sunflower is done. Sunflower harvest 2020 is over. So this has been the first and the last video of the Claas Mega 204 Combine. So just give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.